Welcome back to Daniel's Corner, where tech always makes sense. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Color Picker tool in PowerToys. This is a free tool from Microsoft that you can use to get a lot of hidden features and functionality out of Windows. So let me show you how it works. First, we need to download and install PowerToys. To do that, go to your browser and search for Windows PowerToys, and you will find a link in the description below. Click on the link and then click on the download button. Once the application has finished downloading, simply run it and follow the steps in the installer to complete the installation. It's quick and easy. Once PowerToys has been installed, open it and you will see a window similar to this one. Don't be overwhelmed by all the tools available. We are only going to focus on the Color Picker tool. This tool allows you to pick any color from your screen and copy it to the clipboard for later use. And the best part is, you can access the Color Picker from anywhere in Windows using a keyboard shortcut. All you have to do is press the Windows key plus Shift plus C, and you will see the Color Picker appear. Here you can use your mouse to select any color on your screen, just like this. The color will be picked up and shown in this box here. You can also change the format of the color code here. For example, you can switch between hex, RGB, and HSL formats. And once you have the color code, you can use it in your design projects, websites, or wherever you need it. Now there are other cool tools in PowerToys like FancyZones, which allows you to create custom window layouts, and the Image Resizer, which allows you to resize images with a simple right click. But in this video, we are focusing on the Color Picker tool. Alright, now that you know how to use the Color Picker tool, it's time to put it to work. Make sure to like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for tuning in to Daniel's Corner, where tech always makes sense. See you next time.